What is going on, everybody? Welcome to the section of the free course where I'm going to show you exactly how to buy a stock. And yes, you're going to see, you're like, oh crap. A lot of you are going to be like, this is either, there's two options here. Either you're going to be like, okay, we're familiar with Thinkorswim, or you are like, what the heck is Thinkorswim? What is this that I'm looking at? This is a software by the brokerage TD Ameritrade, Thinkorswim. Now, actually, this is one of the most famous software. So if you've been looking into trading stocks or anything like that, this is probably actually what most people use. I've used it for years. I have used multiple other brokerages such as Robinhood, Webull, things like that. They have great things. I just have always used the software. I learned how to code and a little bit of other things on Thinkorswim. But they made it very, very easy to buy a stock. Just like Robinhood made it easy for you to just pick up your phone, swipe up, and buy whatever stock you want to buy. Thinkorswim made it pretty easy for the rest of the stuff. And with a little bit more of basically other options for you. So you can trade options, you can trade stocks on this, all the above. But on this one, we want to know how you can trade stocks. So I have this in replay mode, basically, where you can go and you can practice. And again, guys, if you are not traded stocks before in your life or have no clue really what you're doing, but you know you want to buy some stocks, you know you want to get into the market, and you know you want to make some money, get it. I've been there, I've done that, I've started there. So let's go on ahead, and I'm just going to show you the exact basics of how to buy one single stock. So what you're going to learn is a lot of stocks are actually bought by institutions in a lot of 100, and that's why you see this number up here. So for instance, when I first started, there's no way I was going to buy lots of 100 shares, especially when a stock like SPY here, which is also the S&P 500 ETF, is trading at $459.21. So if you do that math, it's actually pretty simple here. If I can bring up my calculator, 459 times, let's just go 0.21 times 100 shares is $45,921, which is quite a bit of money. That's basically 50 grand. Most people are not going to have that are first starting out. So let's go with just one share. Say we want to spend $500 and we want to buy basically $500 and buy one share of stock. Show you how easy it is. You can do two things. So if you are wanting to buy it, to just actually buy it, and you don't really care if you bought it at $459.21 or if you bought it at $459.22 or 61 cents or whatever the case may be, you can go over here and you can click market buy. And I actually love this. Mine's still buffering for some reason, but all you would do is walk over or come over here and hit buy market. And now, as you can see on my screen, it says I have one share at $458.60, and market open I am down 2 cents. And this will show you your profit and loss, and you can go through this and blah 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 blah. That is how you buy a stock. That is legit how you go in to your account and you can buy one share of the S&P 500 basically, or the ETF in this case. So if you want to sell that stock, because this is pretty much the same thing, you're doing the same thing except for you're hitting sell. Now again, if you wanted to limit by this, which means you only want it for that price and that price only, it is different than market selling. I mean, you would come and you would click on the price. Say you want to sell it for this much right here. See, it pops that up, and then when it hits that price, it will sell. But I'm going to cancel that order. I press the X button there, and I'm going to hit market sell. So I market sold it and I lost 1 cent on that trade. That is considered a trade. One entry, one exit. That is considered a complete trade. Now, TD Ameritrade doesn't have fees or anything like that, but that is how you're going to buy a stock on TD Ameritrade's Thinkorswim. Now, it's very similar on your phone. You just have to make sure you're not buying. Again, the default for stocks is lots of 100 shares. So make sure you're not trying to buy 100 shares. It's going to tell you don't have enough money or so on or so forth, whatever like little pop-ups going to have, or insignificant funds, not enough buying power. any of those reasons. I've done it on accident. I think everybody I know that's just tried to buy 1 share of stock eventually has tried to buy 100 shares when they don't have that amount of money in their account to buy it. So, but this is a simple, easy way to buy and sell. Again, now this is on the active trader for Thinkorswim, and make sure you have this auto send on. If you don't have auto send, it's going to click buy market, and it's going to bring up, see, it's not showing you guys. Oh, it's actually not showing you guys the extra window here that pops up. But another window pops up and asks you, do you want to buy it? And no, you can either click yes, you want to or not. But I have auto send on. I'll buy. Pretty easy. Down 3 cents, sell it. So now and again, it will always tell you what your profit loss and open is. But with that being said, guys, that is exactly how you buy 1 share, or again, choose what you want to buy. And that is it, guys. Thank you guys all for watching this video. I hope I helped somebody out there, and I look forward to you guys in the rest of this free course.